Marhaba everyone. So basically, most of you would know what these storage areas are for, and some of you might not know. Basically, these are storage or delivery points for your e-commerce orders. So basically, if you order anything online, they will deliver it to you in these machines. To use this storage machine, it's very easy. You can have English language or Turkish language. You will get an SMS from the e-commerce company, and basically you can just write the code, the one which came in the SMS. You can write it over here, and that's all. And you add your ID number, and you open the box where your item is kept. It's very easy.